Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall do the demonstration of Python arithmetic operators using very basic and simple examples. So let us jump into our PyCharm. I'm on my PyCharm now. So let me define two random variables a and b. I'm naming them to be a and b, and I'm taking those numbers to be integers. You can have them to be floating type values if you want. Enter the first number, and then I'm having my second value to be b. I'll copy all this without writing again. Yeah, here I'll change it to the second number. Okay, now I'll perform my arithmetic operations. Sum is equals to a plus b, which is the plus. Here we have used the plus operator, which adds two integers or two floating point numbers or two complex numbers, and it can also add two integers, two string values. But as we are talking about arithmetic operators here, let us discuss only arithmetic operations. Okay, and I'm having another variable difference. I'm naming it to be diff, which is a minus b. We use minus operator for subtracting two values. Now I'll use product is equals to a with asterisk and b. This is the operator for multiplying two values, and I'll have another variable for quotient. This is for division. We use a slash for dividing two integers or floating point numbers or any numbers. Okay, now we have another variable named modulus. Mod is equals to a modulus b. This operator, the percentile operator, is termed to be modulus in Python, which in turn returns the remainder when a gets divided by b. Okay, now we shall do flow division. I'll name it to be fd is equals to a. Instead of one slash here, we use two slashes. A flow divided by b. This in turn returns the integer value when a gets divided by b. Sometimes we may get floating point values also, right? So if a is 2, a is 4 and b is 2, we get integer 2. But if a is 5 and b is 2, we get 2.5, where the integer value is 2. So it returns 2 in this case. Okay, so these are all the arithmetic operators we have. Now let us print all of them to check if that works correctly or not. Print diff. I'll have some prompt here too for better understanding. Print the sum is, I'll just have a simple prompt, and the difference is, and remember to have a comma or a plus symbol before your variable, which has to be printed as the output. Okay, the product is, we have named our product to be PRO, so I'm giving it the name, and the quotient QUO. Such a boring process, right? Sorry. The modulus value is comma mod, and finally a last statement. The flow divided value is ft, as we have named it as ft. Now I'll run my program. Run. I have already a file named arithmetic operators here. I'll run it. Yeah, enter the first number. I'll take my first number to be 5 and second number to be 3. Yeah, we have got our sum 5 plus 3 8, 5 minus 3 2, and 5 into 3, that is when 5 gets multiplied by 3 it's 15, and this is a quotient of 5 and 3 when 5 gets divided by 3, and the modulus value when 5 gets divided by 3, the integer value is 1 and the remainder is 2. Okay, this is how all the arithmetic operators work in Python. So that's all for today, and for more videos for basic simple Python programs to learn from the beginner stage or for any Python tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.